This is the sunset. Whee! Gabriela, you have a little sunset. That's the Strand. When you see this in 5 years, you're going to say, wow, Daddy. That's the Strand. And here's the beach. The beach. Look, little Gabriela. Ooh. And there's Malibu and the sun setting. Wow. You like the sunset? Beautiful little Gabriela. You say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, sun.